Wallace Nissan of Kingsport, where friends send their friends.
Presenting the 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include a power sunroof, power folding mirrors, tow package, front tow hooks, roof rails, power mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, independent suspension, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find adjustable lumbar seats, leather seats, heated seats, an auxiliary input, remote start, steering wheel controls, a DVD system, memory seats, a premium sound system, dual temperature controls. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Nissan Now Sales Event and the lifetime warranty. Hello, this is Van Averitt for Wallace Nissan of Kingsport. Make Wallace Nissan of Kingsport your destination dealership. Wallace Nissan of Kingsport, where friends send their friends.